Welcome to the part 14 of our quick start tutorial TextBlob with Python. So we are going to get the start and end indices of sentence on our text. So this is the obvious thing everyone maybe has done on strings with Python. So we are going to look through the sentences. So this is the text we are going to use. It has three sentences. We have the prop created for the text. Then we are going to group on the sentences. For us in prop dot sentences, so those are three sentences. So what you are going to do is to print the start. So start. Then we are going to print the start and heads index heads at. So format, going to pass the s, the sentence we are reading dot start. That's the index of the start of the sentence we are reading. Then we are going to pass the sentence head index. So let's print, and maybe you can even print the sentence we are reading here on the top. Print s. So let's see the indexes for the start of the sentence and the head. So let's run our program and ensure you save before running. Yeah. Let's see. So you can see the edges of the nose as King Ragnarok said. You can see the start 0, 8 and 54. You have no fear starts at index 55, 8 at index 72. We are the warriors starts at index 73, 8 at index 93. That's the last part of our quick start tutorial on TextBlob. I hope you enjoyed the series on TextBlob. If you have any question on the TextBlob, you can ask me on the comment section below of any video. If you have any problem on any of the series tutorial, you can just ask on the comment section and I will answer you. Thank you.